So as we're doing our band packing exercise, this is via our scapular glenohumeral packing, kind of the pulling of the shoulder blade and the shoulder socket, the glenohumeral joint, just kind of getting everything to kind of pull into the socket and contract. Kind of gives it like a nice uniform contraction of all the rotator cuff, bicep, and tricep, the longest musculature, to get everybody pulling in at once. When we do this exercise, we can also use this as an observation point for are we getting more biceps or triceps dominance as a little extra recruiting for the rotator cuff if we need extra stability. One of the big issues with long hem biceps can be it can try and act as an additional stabilizer of the shoulder joint, since it goes into the shoulder and attaches at the superior tubercle. So as we come into the motion, as we're trying to just work on our basic shoulder packing motion, going back, if we can do the little circles, little screwdriver, kind of like light bulb stuff back and forth to work all the different angles as we go across each way. What we want to see is, do we start to get a little bit more bicep dominance into it? So if I'm getting into here and I'm going to just try my basic just forward one, if I get to here and I start to see a little kick into elbow flexion, I start to see a dominance there. Instead of pulling more from the short stabilizer of the shoulder, I'm trying to say I want to do most of my stabilizer with my bicep. Highly relevant if we have some persistent anterior shoulder pain. Not necessarily tear type stuff, we think it's just kind of like overworking. So as I get into here and I ask, I want to pull my shoulder to my socket, my arm will answer, do I want to use more biceps? Do I want to do nice and even across? Unless you're going to hyperextend your elbow, you might not know if you're using your tricep too much for the long head. So as we go back and forth, we just want to make sure we keep this arm nice and long through the elbow to make sure most of the work is happening from more the scapular and short shoulder blade muscular, short rotator cuff musculature. Big form fault would be that deviation of the elbow, showing that we're using a little more bicep dominance. As we get into bar bicep, that usually flows into additional pec and upper trap levator scap activation. So it's a small tell that's probably telling us how the activation is going into our shoulder blade also. This correlates to some of the rotator cuff motor control assessments by McGarry and some of those papers from I think the mid-2000s. If we get a chance, we'll post those up too. But anyways, nice little observation while doing the band packing, both a treatment and evaluation to tell you how your shoulder blade's working and your rotator cuff's working, and some of the dominance patterns that can start to flow through the different pathways of the musculature. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.